Hi everyone, this is a Knife Life teaching you a Balisong opening and closing tutorial. It's the vertical opening and it looks like this. It's really simple, it's for beginners. First off, you want to know the parts of your Balisong, and first off you want to hold it on the safe handle, which is the handle without the latch, without the blade facing towards it, and hold it facing upward like this. And then what you do is you then flick it upward, have the bite handle hit the back of your hand, back down, having the blade hit your back of the blade hit your finger, not the sharp part, but the dull. Open up your hand and flip it back up. Really simple. Same thing we close. You hold the safe handle up, down, up, vertical. That's why it's called the vertical opening. So once again, you hold the safe handle, you go up, have the bite handle hit the back of your hand, down, back of the blade, hit your finger, and back up with the open hand and catch. And same thing to close. Hold the safe handle on top, up, down, up, up, down, up. That's it. It's the vertical opening and closing. Thank you. This is Knife Life.